Turalei Payam, Jara Independent, Jagis, Jauzi, Karulai Warap, Jara Yangasia, Awan Muorkuau, Jara Gogrial, Jara Community, Jara Democratic, Jara Movement Prize, Agak view of the gentleman, Jara Chabak Kurman. Come come, you can get a boy. You can get me, the people can be I have been loyal. Why you gonna see them? You are putting the captain. I see loyal. You got a little on Yam Chabab. Case about a Muganda, you was a look. We can find up the team to bed. Come and tell. And if you come here, go see you bend and bend here. Because you are not going to find so much young people in the one. Come and tell. Zero Palpursa. Bado. Honorable Madam, Bula Dem, a big thing and doing well. They are all I got you. They are a few washermen. When I'm attacking a reality, I will go up here. You got a look at what you buy. You did jerk up and tell me. Which are market care. When I see Uncle Tangan, and then I let me see you, you guys come and put. Yeah, you be an Panchal Pigeon. You got a gun to get the bit. I took a guy for bed. Initially, the man tell you the guy for Monday night. Lay a cool. You see, I quite a few. Why you couldn't have done to Jim a bit to put up in Sudan, before many of us who were very other in Madu. A question the guy for Yara and County. Number 10. I just want to watch it for Can. And a boy then, you know, Zir, you got a level. What is the event think about?
First and foremost, I would like to thank the members of Awan Muorkuau community, the youth and the elders who came here in order to evacuate the critically injured patients who were the victims of the blast of the fuel tanker that happened on the 9th of this month. The management started with MSF, who actually rescued the patients, and then later on the Mother Teresa Hospital took over to manage the cases, and the cases are ranging from the first-degree burn to second-degree burn. One is a case of first degree, and 3 are cases of second-degree burn. I want to commend, the work of the doctors, starting from the MSF all the way to Mother Teresa Hospital, for the great work they have done to rescue the lives of the people that were actually rescued from the burn site. I also would like to thank Awan Muorkuau for mobilizing resources in order to come and also help in the medical evacuation of the clients that cannot be, the patients that cannot be managed at Mother Teresa Hospital because they need advanced care, and we all agree that they should be evacuated to Juba for further management of the cases. I would also want to send a message to the community. Whenever an incident of fuel tanker exploding or leaking happens, please, you need to protect yourself, you need to be safe. Don't allow the children and the women and the young girls to go and scoop some fuel, because this is a flammable. It is even written on the fuel tanker that this is flammable. That means any small fire, it can catch and burn people. And this is also a message to the elders to make sure when there is such incident happening in the community, they should prevent people from rushing to the side and try to scoop, because it is still dangerous. It can be managed by the right people who are supposed to manage it. I want also to request our communities back here at home and in Juba to also step in every time when there are disasters that are out of our control, because the resources in the state are not really enough, and sometimes we are overwhelmed by these many cases that we cannot manage immediately. So example of Awan Muorkuau community is something that needs to be replicated and shown across Warab State, and also our community members in Juba to mobilize resources to come to our rescue, because we are here to save lives. And I thank the Awan Muorkuau community, the youth and the elders who actually came here, and I also thank the Twic community that have stood with the patients of the burn to make sure lives are saved. I will end here and I will just say a few words in Monjam so that our people can know. Kabakang walten awal ala jui bagam Awan Muorkuau rin shabab jala koi dawun ke koi bai Awan Muorkuau adini juara ke kin dua tinggal bukeriyo ajan buku ke tiara riopi buku koi dawun tinok kemen jod rin lagi cukup berui ke joga myself bela Mother Teresa Hospital lakini lagi amor week lagi meni yana ke cik ke cinduar luel ko wajibiti dua yok lawan ke tiara riopi bu mesti ni ke gaya ni naik janyal koi jauh cara ke kabel tu kalau tu bangun tu sebentar. Makanya risalah we betul itu kaita. Koi dah Juba. Ini alih kita ben ke ria ke daun tu pumping. Tahu itu baglaya kan mau cinduar kicirawan Muorkuau ciloi bikin lagi kan bikin cinduar awak tu yo berupa bikin kuan ciloi. Mungkin ni ke kami juga lagi sedih ke tinggi di Turalei ada cincin lampu ke kami tiada insyaAllah. Kami berwel dan kaita. Iyo gini ke tangkap ke dem. Juba ring berwel lalu lo game. Ring kena mai dom. Ini cakap ada kau lah kena mai dom. Cuma buka jalan. Kau dit, kau lamit, kau la cabam, udiar. Awi bakai gagel. Ring kena ria yang di, yang raja pai di cepat. Bumi dapat di cincin geloi. Jalan kau jadi apa rodu ya, bagai cincin di loi ni naya geloi ya, saya media buat so. Kan itu kuba loyal dan kubi balai production Twic community. Kau ke kau bilai ring, kau awan cike gold, bike panakim. Balai bagam ke MSF, ring ke gai kau jaga arai kau, tu bukan ke jana waltak aliu. Kemudian ni ciwal jangan waltak apa buku apa tu jalan. Ke kubi bagi cinmat nari orang tu pakai gam. Alam buat jual ke community, model gam ke community. Au jual gam ke wilayah, kau gam waru tu okon. Kan alai jumi bagam kau jauh ke kau jauh, kau jauh ke tuan ke kau jual tiara jam ke ya Juba, kau dah cari je pergi.
Okay, thank you. My name is Awan Muorkuau. I am the Muorkuau community. So, I am from Monjang, Awan. I am the Kai community. I am Muorkuau community. But I did hear a lawyer. He been kan tanya, calga dia, he call our area. In community Juba ni, we shabab dia, pagi kepada kilo ya pak. So walau ni karo kan, oh boleh ke pai. In kai ko legend bayi ke, community dana Awan Muorkuau community we shabab dia. Lanu ai lokai ke oh pai, ini kita tara log diri. Pai kanu ke jamial ke menkala aku jamial, kalau ke ki mata arba ke sebelum. Jakaro mai kedi kai pan ka tabani paya bagara yel paya bangwar karar bai ke ya ke tabani na mukti wa bang du buru paliar wa bang daun ini kebetulan kai ko ke Awan Muorkuau community ini alek ya kan di ko ke kai pan tiap wa de kala tuing di ke cinjuar wan ki kayo ya kai ke cinjuar ka jalannya ke won ke kilo ini na le je ni ba do we ke kai wa di ba we kai wen ni jala kai ko jangan lupa bayar le, mial itu kau juga bagi roloi bayar. Ada bayar ya, ada lagi perijual fee, dapat Turalei. Dengan tu rajma kau, kai kau, Awan Muorkuau community, pagi kau itu apa? Bukai cungdut, terkepur daman kan, agak cungi lan ada kabung dor. Pada cicit dah legend betul. Nala ke dia lah kau ni, jangan kita cakap, lagi nak wajib japai, lagi ada jam, mana jam, dan bawa hel deh, pakai masalah. We koi kai chen ka Turalei asa koi kwan ke jet ke ka ya kana ki diba mi kelen ti kayo e mi kelen ti ke yo le twar karot chen ba yo mo twar karot chen ga rot chen ti ngarabia ka kai kwedi karabin ga ye gad ko la ke ma ke do arabia le bi la ngadu kai dari kunalo le ino mal kay kan cha goti mal kay na tangara biya ko kwedi lengi ja lengi benzin lengi bada ay kuma ay pen kan mara ki ko kwedi din kila te so in fe bale we lana da kira loy tan o kan apa tan ni ali buro ko ci pat buro ba loy kwedi la bar jal tan kula jamal wala lang bebe ti wajj bara bara ki awi we panan ci wara kapten pani ci ti ya la wen kay ye bale we yu biya ko ay kada do kala kay na pa ci ko wa da ji so wan ko thank you.
Thank you so much, the members of the press, and I'm told them to and the head, the fund mobilizing and rescuing committee of this incident. Daman lawyer, on day 9 in the morning, yen Kibar yal Chambran, go down man by financial law team, or walk out in Juba, in Put, in form, be and Garabanya group. From that day, I want to say we have to thank God, we have to thank the people of our community, and even the president, the office of the president, and the staff within the office of the president. We have been given the maximum support that we need to help our people on the ground until we arrive on time. Secondly, it is very fortunate that we have lost some members of our community through this incident. About 10 people now have lost their lives through this incident. Bayan tu ibaluel, kecuali penyal ini mungkin. Lakin we took the task given to us. Waktu you arrive follow antan, waktu padur kan shooting wonyin, apa cat. Cuk jogeran tu, yuk kita nyata kata panakim police. Lakin dia ni cuba jamnyal the same night. So now siapa okay, cuba yuk is improving. Kapan you open, siang ya yen mana? Walai lah kadang pasal acara ting kanuan tuan yakin mana lah kadang kian kan, buat kadang kadang. Kalau ben panakim, kau cukup ben bayu, tu kau kawan, ating dom cok mama ben, tinggal di kan tuan ten, jalan dengi rana tuan, caban lah keman, jalan weti, kawan tin mau kerja macam mau jalan dengi melung ring agal. Kega kau kira betul gak shooting nian pak. And through our effort to help from the people, mungkin kita dah kena cari ni, open. Our religion awan, kepada kita mobilize to ensure that we save the life of our people. Lahat kita ada here in Juba, in Father team, Gogrial. Religion lain lagi, honorable Mother Teresa, I think we jalan my brother dan Chol Joseph Belgaran, chairman in Awan Muorkuau youth. So all of us, unity to think with media. Despite all these things that the community have, we came together and we catch up the same point. So if we can community, we allow friends in one catch again. And to make sure catch one that you can have. Quite probably we appreciate Twic County when our community, especially the doctor, quite a HO, because without them, the lives of such people, you could do it by yourself. Despite limited resources that they have, but they try to manage. We believe quite a lot. But you don't be good. And we will thank you so much, the people of Twic County. We got to call the catch while we have been incident that was you measure. She been beer when ya. She been weak. The work calling she had been too different. Had been at Japan weak thing. Career being and catch up in benzine. A quick like wake. Can you turn around? I've been a good get any back. Then we catch your wetting, especially we catch Mata. The thing that a beer got you weak gig, which I care been benzine, do not cut and that you will call him all along. But in the end, the moment in la you got been benzine, ever you kill a lot, they jab at Molinum, and begin to your So, can a lesson to all of us? A lesson that we have to protect ourselves, but keep an eye at that benefit. While Kigachaba Yokali and carry it way. So, yes, I can think it, but do come at it. The delivery chonga garnet, and law, Lakulog, garnet, live young biscuit, tablet lay in a quine. Be no, but do with a kid. But let's protect ourselves, because safe. Thank you so much. I get to the quantity.